This is video 5. So here's a list of stuff that we've been going through. We've done cuboids, prisms, cylinders, spheres, hemispheres. Now we're going to do we're actually doing pyramids, guys. Do you see what I did there? You thought you were doing cones, but then you're doing pyramids, and that's just my humor right there. So let's get started with this. Volumes of pyramids. Right, a pyramid is a structure where the outer surfaces are triangular and they converge to an apex. The apex is just a little pointy bit on the top. And the base has to be a polygon. So a polygon is just a multi-sided shape with straight edges. So square, rectangle, triangle, and so on. If you have a square-based pyramid, then it's just a square-based pyramid. If it's a triangular-based pyramid, I don't have one on the screen at the moment, that would be a tetrahedron. So just be aware that the apex can be directly above the center, or for example, if it's not on the center, it might be shifted. In this case, you can see there's a right angle formed here between all of the sides. So an oblique pyramid is something you might come across as well. Now the formula, you don't need to know where it comes from, but it's going to be 1/3 base area times height. And later on, just be aware, we're going to look at questions where you have to work out areas of pyramids that have been chopped off tragically. Okay, so can you now use the formula to work out both of these triangle pyramids? So you want to work out the volume. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the answer. You should have answers in your books by now. The first one's really straightforward. Just use the formula. 6 times 4 is 24, and then times height times 1/3. And then this one here, you have an equilateral triangle. So you can either do half times base times height, but you have to then work out the height here by halving the 4 and then using Pythagoras, and then doing half times base times that. Or you can just use that good old formula, half AB sine C. And that is going to be 1/3 times half. AB is just 4 times 4 sine 60. And you know it's 60 because it's equilateral. And then you multiply it by 6, which is the height. And then that's your answer. The next question is slightly harder. Have a go with this. I will go through the answer for this in the next video.